going on? What's going on, everybody? It's SVT Vasquez back out with another video. Today I'm going to be doing some work on the Miata. I have a white Plasti Dip on the rims right now, and I'm going to be removing that. And I have a product that removes the Plasti Dip for you easily, so you guys don't need to see me take off the tire. So I'm just going to do a time lapse and we'll get back right to it once I'm done. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've already started this before because yesterday I came out to the garage to see how well I coated the Plasti Dip, and it looks like I coated it pretty well. It's coming out fairly easy, and it's not that old, so it's peeling off and it's not really breaking apart if I grab it right. So for this one, I'm gonna be peeling it off by hand, and for the next one, I'll try that product I was telling you guys about and see which one is easier or if it even works. What I will need the product for is for the inside. The walls have light spray, since I didn't coat the inside of the wall to be painted because you could hardly see that side. And I will be needing the spray for that, so I guess we could test out the product there and see how well it works on that. But for now, I'm gonna finish peeling this off, and then I'll show you guys the product I bought. Excuse the lighting outside. I'm not sure if you guys could see me because the light's actually right on me when I'm standing outside, and I'm not sure if the camera looks good or not, since I'm not able to see the screen at all. Okay. Alright guys, so what I actually purchased for the Plasti Dip remover is this Goo Gone, and it has to be automotive, so that makes sure that it doesn't mess with your paint, because there's Goo Gone that's strong enough to it'll
a motherfucking down fucking
eat through your paint and make it dull paint. It'll eat through your clear coat. It'll eat through your wheels even. So you gotta make sure you get the automotive Goo Gone to your car. This should be pretty safe, but use at your own discretion. I'm not telling you to use this on everything because it won't apply to everything. So if you damage your vehicle, that's on you. Use this at your own discretion. What the fuck? But this is what I'm gonna be using to get the rest of that Plasti Dip off. And then I also have a wheel brush that I'm gonna use to agitate the product into the Plasti Dip, and this will help scrape it off as well. So I'm gonna spray it and clean it with this, and we'll see how it works. All right guys, so like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna spray the inside wall and whatever else outside that needs to be cleaned up, and then I'm gonna scrub it down. Shit. All right guys, so like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna spray it down with the Goo Gone, automotive Goo Gone, and then I'm gonna scrub it with the wheel cleaner. Make sure you apply a good enough coat so it could seep in through the Plasti Dip and break it down. Sheesh. Okay guys, I didn't even wait long. I did a light area like that one right there. I scratched it, and look, it's gone. It's so easy. It's like butter now. The Goo Gone actually ate right through that Plasti Dip quicker than I expected. So I'm gonna do the outside frame that I had trouble with in the beginning, and yeah, I'm gonna clean the rest of it to make sure all of it's off. There was some on the tire there, That's off as well. Wow guys, this actually works way better than I expected. And I purchased this product on Amazon. It was only like, I want to say under 20 bucks, no more than 20 bucks, around 20 bucks. So not expensive at all. I know Plasti Dip sells their own product, but they probably charge for shipping. If you have an Amazon account, you could get the Amazon Prime one. Let's see how it cleans up the inside. It's coming right off. So when I'm done, I'm just gonna water it down with the water hose, and then I'll see what else is left on there and clean the rest of it up. And then I'll show you guys a clip of what it looks like when I'm done with the product. Alright guys, I'm done scrubbing it and spraying it down, so I'm gonna hit it with the water hose.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so the Plasti Dip is all gone. For minor areas that I haven't hit yet, it's still there, but I definitely recommend that product because that was a lot easier than I thought. One thing I do want to mention is that it leaves like a film on your wheel. It's kind of like when you have grease and there's water that sits on top of it. As you can see, the little water droplings on there, it looks like you see that? It looks like there's wax on the wheel, and then it's protecting the tire. So definitely I'm gonna hit it with some car wash soap when I'm done, and make sure that the wheel's clean, and then I'll put them back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the job. No need to record the rest of the wheels. You guys already saw the product, you saw how it works. At this point, it's up to you if you want to buy the product or not, but I definitely recommend if you have Plasti Dip you want to remove, it's a great option to go with. But I'm gonna finish this up so it doesn't take me all day.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, so I was actually working on my video right now, and as I was working, someone commented on my Instagram and actually let me know that they were the 100th subscriber. So I want to thank all you guys that subscribed. We finally reached my goal, and that's the thing with life in general. You have to make goals that you're gonna reach, not only long-term but short-term goals as well, so it keeps you going. It keeps you looking forward to being that much closer to your dreams. So my ultimate goal is going to be 1,000. That's what YouTube requires you for monetization, and monetization would be getting paid for making YouTube content. And so obviously my goal would be to getting 1,000 subscribers, but I just got started 4 months ago, and I'm taking baby steps as we go. And I'm so glad that you guys helped me get to 100 subscribers. So I'm gonna crack a cold one for the boys and celebrate this moment with you guys. Modelo time, baby. With this wheel, I just went ahead and did the spray without peeling the whole wheel, and so that film that I was telling you guys that's a lot greasy, it's actually the Plasti Dip itself that's repelling the water. But as you can see right here, there's a little left, and it just comes right off. All you got to do is rub it with your finger. It doesn't take much. It comes off, but after you're done spraying it and rubbing it off, go ahead and make sure that you clean it with soap and water, so the rest of the Plasti Dip film comes off, and then you'll have a finished product like this one. And that's all you have to do. So I really recommend the product if you have a hard time taking off your Plasti Dip, and this is gonna make it a lot easier, and it's not expensive at all. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
I'm just all about this money, I don't think about no thoughts. Girl, you don't know about me, so get off my fucking D. Born and raised in the dot, this is real as you gon' see. Girl, you don't know about me, so get off my fucking D.